your air rocket did. We took a look at what it did and think about, okay, what might I do to improve the design to make it work better. So we had a couple of really great rockets, some of which actually came completely outside of the building. But the last time we saw Jack's rocket, it was headed toward the Milky Way. Where's Jack? All right, so Jack, you get a Milky Way.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, actually, we're not done.
Gucci gang.
Gucci gang.
Okay, no, Gucci.
You're so lucky, Jack.
Lucky ducky. Lucky ducky.
I'm kidding. No.
Jack gets to launch the
Just
rocket.
stop.
My
Just stop.
G. My G.
Lucky ducky.
I would have made it as aerodynamic as possible.
Oh, that's a big fail.
I have a point at the rocket.
Down. 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy Smurf! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, this